Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for 5th of March. And if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. And guys, it seems like Solana wasn't actually interested yesterday for an entry point, but this time it seems like for good we came down to this neckline out of this inverse head and shoulder, your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. Now, this is another good buying opportunity, but I'm gonna be fair and square with you. And it seems like it came to the support and it almost made a bullish engulfing candlestick. Let me show you this one right now. Just need the zoom button right here so that we can study this one in details. So the candlestick that printed, I'm on the 4-hour time frame right now, and this almost looks like a you had a hammer, and this hammer appeared right at the support right there. So there is an ethics, there's a rule to this candlestick's reading. If you do see a bullish candlestick like this one coming up nearly the support line, and then you make a bullish engulfing in the support line, that's actually very positive sign and strength, because once again this is the neckline. Actually the yellow line that you see is a neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. Inverse head and shoulder is a bullish pattern. So let's talk about inverse head and shoulders if you're new. So here we are, inverse head and shoulder, and let's go to Google, open up the images right here, and you're gonna see something like this one. Okay, you're gonna see something like that. So first shoulder, head, and the second shoulder, you go up, boom, you cross it, and then you start to continue this, the journey to go to the upside. But if you start to lose this neckline, let me tell you, if you start to lose the neckline, backtest, and fail, then there's only one answer to this thing, and I'm gonna tell you what it is. Then that only means that this head and shoulder that we previously talked about, that big head and shoulder right there, is what's about to play out, because you really never went down to the 69 to meet the technical target. But as long as you're not losing this neckline, it's not going to be good for me to say that you're looking to go down. Okay, by the end of the day, you made a bullish pattern, which is an inverse head and shoulder, and you're actually crossing it, and the technical target for that one is nearly the $112. So even if you were taking an entry from there to there, that's like 28%, perhaps a pump that can come in by the next week as well. Let's see, provided as long as you're above this neckline and you don't go below the neckline, you're still good. You're still good with Solana. It's just how it is on the charts, and not my own opinion. You lose the neckline, then you're gonna have to switch your view, maybe cut your losses, and then move on and wait for a different trade. Maybe just wait for it to come down to the $69 and you buy back. Or maybe you can buy in small chunks, buy 10%, 20% here, buy another 10, 20% here. You can dollar cost average. It comes down here and then it comes up to the neckline, boom, you just made a nice beautiful profits by dollar cost averaging. It depends on your risk, it depends on your management style. So by the end of the day, this is not a financial advice video, and that's it for Solana update. Hope you enjoyed. Join the Discord please, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. I love you.